Replacing the battery in your 2009-2014 Nissan Maxima key fob is a simple DIY task that can save you money. These fobs use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. The process involves safely opening the fob, removing the old battery, and installing the new one. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to open the fob without causing damage, and of course, a new CR2032 battery. Working in a well-lit area and wearing gloves will help prevent losing small parts or damaging the circuit board. The CR2032 battery typically costs between $1 and $5, making this a cost-effective alternative to dealership replacements. We'll cover the step-by-step process next. First, gather your tools: a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool, and a new CR2032 battery. Locate the seam on your key fob, usually near the key ring. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the seam and twist to separate the two halves. Avoid excessive force to prevent cracks. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery from its holder. Note the correct polarity. Positive side usually faces up. Insert the new battery with the correct polarity to prevent short-circuiting. Snap the fob back together securely. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. It should lock and unlock your car. If it doesn't work, consult your Nissan owner's manual for reprogramming instructions. To maintain your key fob, avoid using cheap batteries that can leak and cause damage. Consider upgrading to a rechargeable CR2032 for longer life and reduced waste. Regularly check functionality and replace the battery every 1 to 3 years, depending on usage, to avoid being stranded.